You're crazy. Everybody's crazy. Okay? It's not funny. No, 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 no. Put it down. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you 3 different meals that I made for my family. These meals are very versatile. You could do so much with them, which I'll share with you. They could also be freezer meals. I'm not feeling so great today, which is why I look like this, but I did pre-record these meals and I will share with you different things you can do with them. Like I said, very versatile, and I think you will get some good ideas. I hope so. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I truly appreciate it. Here we go. Starting off with the first meal, and actually the best of the 3 according to my husband. He said this was in the top 3 meals I've ever made. He really liked it, and it was just some last minute thing I thought up, so I'm really happy about it, and we'll definitely be making it again. But I just started out here browning 1 pound of ground beef and adding to that some homemade taco seasoning. I think I did about 3 tablespoons maybe, and then really just cooking it up like taco meat. I added a little water and basically just things that you would add to tacos. I had some leftover salsa in the fridge. I also added some bone broth powder that's unflavored, just for some added nutrition, and I think it might help to thicken it just a little bit, but it's not even necessary at all. Just like whatever you have, it's like I said, these are so versatile. Black beans, I rinsed and drained a can of those, and I wanted about 2.5-ish cups of liquid. So I had some chicken bone broth here, and then I just added some water to equal about that much. So I added about 1 pound of spaghetti. Obviously you could do whatever pasta you like. My husband just likes spaghetti. And I immersed it in the liquid. I made sure it was just kind of coated with the liquid there, and then I covered that and cooked it. Well, I brought it to like a boil / simmer first, and then I left it simmering for probably about 10-ish minutes. This particular spaghetti takes a little bit longer to cook, but yeah, basically just cook it just like you would pasta. I topped it with some freshly grated cheddar cheese, corn. I would have added the corn to the pasta dish, but I have one child who does not like corn, so I aim to please. And then I also added some sour cream here, and you could really just top it with whatever you like on your tacos. You could probably do shredded lettuce, maybe. I don't know, maybe that would be weird. I don't know, but just basically just like a taco. I think that soup is probably one of the most versatile meals there is. Like I said, we weren't really feeling well, and one of my kids had asked me to make some, and so I told her I would do that. Now, I didn't have celery, and I don't even know if I had onion, but it's so versatile, you could really just do whatever. I started earlier in the day just by cooking up the chicken and letting it kind of stew there for several hours and making that broth and all of that. I cut the chicken up. I cut up carrots, and my battery had actually died between these shots, but I did cut up fresh herbs. I added some frozen peas I had to use up, and just random things. Like, it's so versatile. Like I said, with soup, you could just really put whatever. And I wound up adding a whole pound of pasta because with kids, I don't know, it's more filling that way. And I know I had turmeric in here too. I did try to put some things that are going to help fight off the sicknesses as well. But yeah, the kids don't eat as much of the broth as they would of the egg noodles and things like that. So, and I made some bread to go along with this, and it was very tasty. A huge success. This next meal is sort of a teriyaki chicken, I guess. I had some chopped chicken I rinsed off and just cooked that up with different seasonings, avocado oil, some onion and things like that. And then I got some jasmine rice going on the side. like I said earlier, we had some frozen peas, and I was just feeling peas this week. Like I really just, I like peas all of a sudden. I don't know, I didn't used to like them that much, but I also had broccoli, which would be great in this dish, and the kids love broccoli, but like I said, I was really feeling the peas. So anyway, that's what I did on this night, but this is another versatile meal where you could really add anything. So, and you could do quinoa, brown rice, whatever kind of rice, like the regular white rice and whatever else. Jasmine, I guess, is really similar to that, but anyway, you can really just, I mean, you could serve it over lots of different things. And I think this is typically done, I used to do it with soy sauce and brown sugar, but I decided to use some raw honey that I had and sucanat in place of the brown sugar and cocoa aminos in place of the soy sauce, just to make it a little healthier. And you could thicken this with some kind of starch, cornstarch, arrowroot starch slurry, but I just decided to cook it down and use that method, and it wound up working out really well. This tasted so good, and we had lots of leftovers. We do not eat this much in one meal because the kids are still really little, but I like to make extra, and then I can put meals in individual containers to freeze for my husband to bring to work for lunches and things like that. So that's what I always like to do. It saves me some time later on, which, as you know, with 6 kids, time is pretty valuable. So time is valuable anyway, whether you have kids or not. But anyway, that is it for these meals. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Hopefully that will be soon. Bye-bye.